I have the Pixel 9 Pro XL here, and in today's video I'll be running the Storage 2.0 benchmark test from the PCMark application. This is a free app from the Google Play Store, and I highly recommend you download it as well so that you can test your device right alongside mine. I'll have this app linked down in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment here, so that it's easy for everyone to find. Once downloaded, you will need to install the benchmark tests, but once that's done, you're ready to test the UFS 3.1 NAND storage that we have across the entire Pixel 9 series. So again, after you have installed the application, go ahead and download the Storage 2.0 tests, and then we can run them by tapping on this orange button here. You're going to see some progress go along here, as well as the bottom, as it goes through each test one at a time. Now that the Pixel 9 Pro XL has finished this benchmark test for its internal storage, we can see that it received an overall score of 33,916. And here you can get a look at all of the individual test scores. For comparison, the Nothing Phone 3A with its UFS 2.2 storage got a score of 26,000 when I tested it. And the Red Magic 10 Pro with its UFS 4.1 storage received a score of 189,000 in the video I did here on the channel. It's becoming more and more common these days to see smartphone makers skimping out on the storage that we have in our phones. Some will say the higher speeds don't really benefit the hardware and software tasks that we're doing on our smartphones throughout the day, while others are taking full advantage of the power in these devices that we carry around with us. But honestly, I was really disappointed to see Google opting for UFS 3.1 in the Pixel 9 series when they had increased prices so much last year. For some of us, it's just a kick in the teeth when we save our money all year in anticipation of the next high-end phone from an OEM that we prefer, only to find out that they cut corners when it comes to various hardware components like the internal storage here in the Pixel 9 series. But I want to hear about the Storage 2.0 benchmark scores that all of you were able to get with your phones. So be sure to leave a comment down below with the name of your daily driver and the Storage 2.0 benchmark score that you were able to achieve. And please, do not forget to give this video a like, while also subscribing to the channel for more Android smartphone benchmarks like this.